Hey guys, what's good? I am Praveen. This is Meg from Bodyprocoach Nutrition or Fitness. We are very excited to bring you something very cool.
Today we are going to do for you is a Keto Baingan Bharta.
Very Indian, and it's going to be damn delicious. Let's go.
Roasted eggplant. So basically I have roasted this eggplant earlier. I have roasted it on flame. So after roasting the eggplant, I have kept it aside in room temperature in normal water for it to cool down. Now I'm going to take a plate, and on that plate I'm going to keep this eggplant and I'm going to peel it slowly and steadily. So you can take your fingers and mash this nicely. First we put 10 grams of butter. To that I'm going to add one whole chopped onion. So we're going to stir it and mix it till it becomes tender, soft and slightly golden. To this we add Himalayan salt, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and little green chili. Now I'm going to add the roasted brinjal to it. Now I'm going to lower the gas and cover the lid and cook it for the next 10 minutes on slow flame. The roasted brinjal is done. Now we're going to garnish it with some coriander, and we're going to toss the same, and it's ready to be served. And our brinjal is ready, and we have tossed it with 10 grams of butter. So the delicious Keto Baingan Bharta is ready.
Alright guys, so the one really good thing about this one is that the eggplant is that it's very low in calorie, it's low in carbohydrates and very high in fiber, which means it's going to make your digestive system very smooth. At the same time, it has a very low glycemic index, which means that it won't spike your insulin like the other food does. So it's an ideal meal if you're looking for something to be in that great shape. So that's all about it. So enjoy the meal. And please do make sure that you subscribe, hit that bell icon, that you always get to know about our videos. And being said that, we've got about 6 videos coming in a week, and that's a lot, isn't it? So you want to make sure that you use all those informations and keep yourself really fit. Thank you so much for tuning in. We're looking forward to see you in the next video.
Thank you.
Thank you.